What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Brittney. I am Brittney W, and this video is all about Artist Jen. They have sent me these lovely lip colors, and so we are just going to try them on, and you guys are just going to get my opinion on them. So I'm going to try and go from lightest to darkest if I can. And it looks like there's a couple that I kind of want to layer. So the first one that they sent me is called Sticka. It's kind of like a crystally color. I would kind of wear this by itself, to be quite honest. Oh, it comes on like a metallic gold. This is pretty. I don't have anything on my lips, so I guess you can pair this because it came out like a goldish color. Maybe you can pair this with like a gold lipstick and just place this on top. It smells pretty good. It kind of smells like bubblegum a little bit. And I like the texture and how it feels. How does it look? So Sticka is a go for me. I really thoroughly enjoy it. This lip gloss right here, it doesn't necessarily, it's not like sticky. You know, some lip glosses when you use it, it go. You're not going to get that effect with this. The next one I'm actually going to layer. I'm going to layer these three because they're all like brownish colors. And I kind of like the layer effect of this. So this one right here is number 12. And I think it's a liquid lipstick. And as you all know, if you see me looking over here, it's simply because my mirror is on this side. And as you guys know, I like to overdraw my lips just a tad bit. So this is number 12. This is also a very pretty color. But I'm going to layer it with this Ronzy Rich color. It's all like in the brown family. Yep, that's nice. I kind of like it even better now. Very pretty. Still not sticky. And I actually want to put a little bit of the gold lip gloss right in the center. And this is liquid gold. Just like this. Very pretty. Love these colors. So I used these three. First I went in with this color and then I put this on top of it and the gold in the center. And I absolutely love this look. What do you guys think? Cute or not? I think it's cute. Thank you so much, artist Jean. Jean as in scientist. Oh. And I'm just using some micellar water to take it off. This is also one of the items that I got from BeautyCon. Okay, so we're going to go in with a red color now. And this is shade 05. This is Red Carpet Reddy. Ooh, cute name, cute name. And you know I love a red lip. I absolutely love a red lip. And this is a liquid lip gloss. Liquid lipstick. Very easy to go on. The color is very vibrant. This right here sort of kind of reminds me of the MAC Cosmetic lipsticks. And it does have a blue base, which means that it's going to make my teeth look whiter. Very pretty. Let's see if it transfers. Let me let it dry a little bit. Because I literally just put it on. Not too much. A little bit. A little bit of transfer, but it's not crazy amount. So the last and final one that they gave me is in electric blue. Okay. I look like a kid who ate spaghetti. Just trying to get this color off my hand a little bit. All right, so the last and final color is this electric blue in shade 13. And I'm here for a blue. Let's see what this looks like. Okay. So this is like, I look crazy. This is literally just a lip gloss. So what I would do is pair this with a blue lipstick. Because you can see my red under it. If I layer it, the red will go away. Yes. So I absolutely do love all of these lip colors. Thank you so much again, Artist Jen. These are a lot of fun. I'm going to list the cosmetic company down below so you guys can pick up your colors. So pretty. But I think I'm going to go back in and put back on the brown because I like that the most. This is a fun color though. So thank you so much, Artist Jen. Artist Jeans. Like science. Like you're made up of 2 DNA, your genes. Artistic genes. Thank you so much. If you have thoroughly enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have thoroughly enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the thumbs up button. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Later, lovers.